Welcome. Thank you for checking out Sellozo. Appreciate you stopping by. Be sure to look for the sign up link in the menu or on our website. You can press the Get Started button and get started with Sellozo. But what I want to do a little bit is show you a little bit what we're doing here at Sellozo, what we do for sellers, and how we help them with their automation in their Amazon business. So the first screen you're seeing here is the product, the dashboard. We're going to track your sales, your cost, profit margins, all the FBA fees. We're going to show all that information inside your own dashboard. This is going to show a little bit about the automations that we've done over the last 30 days. Here's a little bit about the inventory, how much you have in stock, how long it's going to until it sells out. This is the location of all the orders. And then over here is a live order stream. So this is your dashboard section. The next tab is going to be product view. Product view takes all your SKUs and dissects them and shows all the information about each individual product, everything from the revenue, from the cost, from the ad performance, from your inventory, how much you make per unit, your margin, your PPC A cost, your total A cost, the buy box, the rank in that category, a whole bunch of stuff. So there's a lot of stuff in here that you'll be able to see with your own products. And when you get started with the Sellozo, you'll be able to see this information. The last couple tabs here, this one's called PPC Manager. PPC Manager pulls in all your ad campaigns. And it'll show you how they're performing. You can set your total A costs here on the far right, and then what our tool will do is it'll go inside your ad campaigns, and every day it's going to make adjustments to get you to that target A cost that you set inside the tool here. But everything from day parting, negative keyword, transfer of keywords, bid adjustments, all that, it can be automated with Sellozo. And we'd love to have you try it out so you can see for yourself. Last couple tabs, activity log. Activity log tracks everything, every single bid adjustment, price change, everything that is happening to your products, we're tracking that. And the last tab here is financial reporting. Again, financial reporting is all about your profits and your losses and your margins. We're going to pull that information here. And then also we track all those FBA fees, those weird Amazon fees, all that's going to be tracked inside here. So again, click the Get Started button, and you'll see this data for yourself. We'll start importing the data from the last 60 days. If you have any questions, be sure to reach out to our support team. Thanks.